Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukia Laltia and welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the viral Dubai chocolate the easiest and tasty way on a low budget. So without further any ado, let's start with our recipe. First thing, we'll start by melting our chocolate. I'll be using milk chocolate, but you can also use dark chocolate or white chocolate according to your preference. Using a double boiler method, I'll cut the chocolate into pieces and I will melt the chocolate, and our chocolate is ready, and it's high time to make our pistachio paste. For the paste itself, you'll definitely be needing these ingredients. You'll need this kataifo pastry that you can able to purchase it from Turkish shop and Arab shop, or definitely at a supermarket, you never know. I'll be using a quarter of the kataifa, then cut the kataifa into small pieces like so. Then I'm going to cook the kataifa. Place a pan on a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter, let it to melt. Add the kataifa and cook the kataifa on a low medium heat until nicely cooked and golden brown color like so. Once ready, place the kataifa in a bowl. Then afterwards, we're going to add our pistachio. Oh my god, like this pistachio tastes incredible good. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons, but you can also add more. That's according to your preference. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of tahini paste. This is sesame oil. It's optional, but it will also add an extra amazing taste to this kataifa, and mix the 3 ingredients very well until nicely well cooperated like so. And it's high time to make our Dubai chocolate. Then afterwards, you're going to take a chocolate mold. If you don't have a mold, you can just use an empty container and pour the melted chocolate in it and spread it evenly like so. Then place it in the freezer for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until it's completely dry. Then you're going to put the kataifa pistachio paste and spread it evenly like so. Then you're going to pour the remaining chocolate, but you can add anything here. You can able to just add some biscuit, you can just add some white chocolate, that's according to your preference. Then place the chocolate back into the freezer for another 15 to 20 minutes until it's nicely dry like so, like it's nicely attached. And after 20 minutes, our chocolate is ready. Let us remove the chocolates from the mold, as you can see in the video, and we're going to cut it and see how it is inside. Oh my goodness, like I'm editing this video and I'm just craving for the chocolate again. It is so tasty. You can hear the crunchiness. Oh my goodness, like it slaps so hard. It was tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try out this simple recipe. And if you're going to try out this simple recipe, please kindly do come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like and give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.